So in our first question, we had tables. And from our tables, we could tell what happened. When you plugged an x value in, what was the y value? Now we have graphs, but the idea is the same. We work from the inside out. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out what g of 2 is. And what g of 2 means is if you look at your function of g of x, and x is 2, what would y be? So our g of x function right now is the blue one. And if you look where x is 2, can you see that this is the point that you have? And that point is 2, 0. And that's telling us when x is 2, y is 0. So g of 2 would equal 0. And now we have f of 0, which is saying if x is 0, what's y on our function of f of x? So now we're looking at our red function. And on our red function, we have the point 0, 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. So f of g of 2, using the graph, it's the same idea. Find out what the y value is when x is 2 on g of x, and then use that as your x value for f of x. So I'd like you to try the second one. I'll put up the answer in a second. Mistakes here with the values. Remember that f of -1, if we look at where is x -1, it's right here. That point is -1, 0. And probably the most common mistake I saw walking around is you see -1 and you think of the point, but then you use the x value again. And you write -1. But f of -1 is saying what is the y value when x is -1? It's 0. And then g of 0 is saying what is the y value in the function of g of x when x is 0? That's equal to 4. Okay, questions are 5, 7, 13, and 15.